Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if you're looking to add a nice touch to any room or occasion, check out these flameless candles from Homemory. They're really easy to turn on and off. Just kidding, it's a remote. I love that because you can have them anywhere you want and you don't have to pick them up to turn them on and off. You can just control them really easily with this remote. The remote has the option to dim, so you can have them on the brightest setting, or you can turn them down low if you'd like some softer light. The brightest setting is actually really bright. I was surprised how well it really lights up a room. So these are a perfect and safe option if the power goes out. If you have pets or small children and you worry about candles with flames, these are a great option for that. So if you're looking for a decorative candle and you want to go flameless, I definitely recommend this set from Homemory. And that's my point of view.